Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and today I'm just going to show you one little thing I just did with this Trivisa Lynx. And this Trivisa Lynx, I'm just having so much fun with it, and I happen to have one of these extra quick thumb attachments here that I gotten off Amazon laying around, and I noticed that it just sat perfectly with the way it's cut out to end right where the jimping is. These things come with their own little Allen wrench, and it tightens right up quite easily. But I mean, the way it's positioned right there, it's great because now I have this. I can do that, and I can get that meat on there for doing that type of opening too. Not my preference, but that always has been. So I wanted to show that. I also wanted to show how easy that just goes through everything with such a fine, thin edge. The point on this, look at that. I mean, that's the whole catalog, and that was nothing. And what's also pretty cool with such a thin edge on a thin point, I mean, just nothing to shred with this knife. It's been a lot of fun. So let's say do a very thin magazine cut right there. Yeah, it's nuts. And I just wanted to show that again, just gushing over this new knife. And man, you can't go wrong if you have multiple options of opening it. This just made a fun knife even funner for me because I do prefer using a thumb stud. That's what I grew up using. But again, the flipper on that is actually excellent as well because of those ceramic ball bearing actions. But great knife, and can't recommend it enough. But I also can't recommend this little mod here either, because I can't recommend that enough as well, because the way that stops right on the jimping, and it gives a nice little stopping point also for your thumb, which is really comfortable. But you can still overreach if you want to do some kind of push cut with it as well. So there you go. The quick thumb studs, you can get the name brand, you can get off brands, but they're all relatively the same and pretty decently priced. And it's a nice option to do, especially with this knife. So that's all I got. Hope you liked it. Please feel free to give me a good old thumbs up. Love to hear your comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.